Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use time management tools on Instagram. Time management tools help you to know how much time you spend on Instagram. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use them. Go to your Instagram profile page and click on the three lines icon in the top right corner. Press on the Your Activity section. After that, hit the Time tab. Here you can see the average time you spent on Instagram per day in the last 7 days. If you click on an individual bar, you will see how much time you spent on a certain day. If you tap the Set Daily Reminder option, you will be able to choose the amount of time you want to use the app each day. In this case, you will receive a notification when you will reach your selected time limit. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use time management tools on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueWaySocial.com.